Guys, okay, so what I wanted to do was go over my liquid lipsticks and pull out my liquid lipsticks. We're still under these masks, which irritates the bejesus out of me because I'm so ready to wear my lip glosses. I love my lip glosses, but y'all ain't finna sit here and convince me that I can wear lip gloss with a mask. It gets everywhere, and y'all ain't gonna convince me otherwise, okay? So as I pout, I said I might as well use up my liquid lipsticks. Let me use them up, and then by the time we come out from these masks, maybe I could buy some more. So let's use them up. So I need to pull out what's a liquid lipstick. This Dose of Colors Cork. That's a liquid lipstick. I'm going to put all my liquid lipsticks in the top tray. Dose of Colors is a liquid lipstick. This NYX Lingerie. What is this? I think this is a liquid lip. Where are my glasses? Ah, Jesus. Liquid lipstick. Matte liquid lipstick. Gonna pull that out. This Chanel is a lip gloss. Oh, I'm so mad. So mad, so mad. Okay, Fenty Beauty. This is a liquid lipstick. I'm not even going to attempt to read these little names. Can y'all, we need to stop bombarding these doggone lipstick companies. Just put the name around here. You should have put the name going down here. I can't read that darn name. Anyways, I know I got a bunch of Morphe liquid lipsticks. So, I could pretty much look at them and tell this is a liquid lipstick. I'm going to put one in my bag. This is Freebird or Firebird. What was this? Dang. I'm going to have to swatch it. Lip gloss. That's a lip gloss. So that's in the lip gloss pile. Another Fenty Beauty. That's a liquid lipstick. I know that. Too Faced Melted Matte. We know that's a liquid lipstick. The Slip Tease by NYX is a lip gloss type of thing. So I know that's a lip gloss. My Butter Gloss, lip gloss. Huda Beauty, this is a liquid lipstick. Okay. Anastasia. This is a liquid lipstick. Kylie. I think Kylie is. I have Kylie's. I love Kylie Jenner's liquid lipsticks. I'm going to tell y'all that. I really do. I'm going to put that one in my bag. She got some good liquid lipsticks. And that's not saying, you know, who she, the Kardashian, but I'm telling y'all right now, them Kylie Jenner's from Ulta, they good. Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is Anastasia again. This is a liquid lipstick. Yeah, let me use these liquid lipsticks up. This is another Too Faced Matte. I know it's a liquid lipstick. NYX Lingerie. This is Cabaret Show. And it's a liquid lipstick. Beauty Bakery. I know this is a liquid lipstick. Dose of Colors. Is this a gloss? This is a sand. It's a popular one. Yeah, that's a liquid lipstick. It looked like it's drying out, but we'll figure it out. Here's another Huda Beauty. I like these tiny ones to go in my bag, my wallet. There's already a tiny one in there to go in my wallet. Look at this mess. I got two things I ain't even opened yet. And I'm not going to open them. Liquid lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Two Fenty Beauty. Liquid lipsticks I haven't opened yet. I'm not going to open them yet. I'm going to use some of my other ones first. Because if I haven't opened them, then they can't go bad so quickly yet. Dose of Colors. This is a lip gloss. Dose of Colors. Y'all can tell, like, I have a lot of the same stuff because I like a lot of the same company's stuff. This is a MAC liquid lipstick. Another Huda Beauty. And this is another NYX Butter Gloss. Morphe. Y'all know. A lot of times when y'all ask me what I have on in a video, it's Morphe. Check out their liquid lipsticks. I have every nude that they have. So y'all just check out. And their lip glosses. This one is a lip gloss. I hope my lip glosses don't go bad. Okay. So let's see. I know this is a lip gloss. Kylie lip gloss. Ooh, my lip glosses better not go bad. This L'Oreal Infallible is a liquid lipstick. I'm about to bring this out because this is my spring summer pink lips. Let's bring that out. Kylie. That's a gloss. Don't sleep on it. Dose of Colors again. That's a gloss. This is Maybelline Infallible. That's a liquid lipstick. Coco Kylie again. But is this a gloss or a liquid? That look like a liquid lipstick. You need to go over here. NYX Strictly Vinyl. I think the Strictly Vinyl is supposed to be gloss lipstick, but I'm going to put it with the glosses. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think this is a gloss. Yes. Ooh, my pinks. Come on now. Y'all got to do something with these masks. Anastasia. That's a gloss. Morphe. That's a liquid lipstick. Who this here? ColourPop Ultra Satin Up. I think that's a gloss. NYX Liquid Suede. I think is a liquid lipstick. Here is another MAC. Kabuki Magic. I think this is a liquid lipstick. Here's a NYX. Have I even opened this? I don't know if this open. NYX Lingerie. I think all of the NYX Lingerie are liquid lipsticks. And here we are with lipsticks we haven't even opened yet. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is a beauty supply store. That Ruby That Kisses. What is this? A liquid lipstick or a lip gloss? Liquid lipstick. NYX Butter Gloss. Another Fenty. Oh my wow, my Lime Crime. Y'all remember? Oh, oh, it still smells good. Oh my gosh, I gotta come from behind these masks. I'm sorry. I am sorry to the Liquid Suede. This ain't even been open yet, so I'm not gonna open it yet. This is a lip gloss. I have another lipstick that has not been opened yet. And a Buxom lip gloss that has not been opened yet. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put all the lip glosses in the second tray because they were all mixed in together. Put all the lip glosses in the second tray. If they will fit. And I'm going to put, oh, forgot one. Another Dose of Colors. All the liquid lipsticks in this tray. And I'm going to show y'all. And what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to grab a different one every week. Which is what I was doing before. If y'all was following my channel, I used to tell y'all what makeup and lipstick I was wearing for the week. But when everything kind of slowed down, you know, you weren't really wearing them the way you was doing it. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So these are all the liquid lipsticks that I have. And as you can see, it's a lot. So, let me get some of the bigger ones too. They all shaped so funny that they don't want to go in here properly because of the different shapes and sizes. But these are all of the liquid lip glosses that I have. So I'm going to try to grab a different one every week. I just put 2 in my bag for this week. And I am recording this on a Sunday. So, and see, this thing says 6 months after you open it. So I'm going to have to, I didn't even smell these, but I'm going to smell them before I use them. And anything that's not good, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. And then here are my lip glosses. Here's the lip glosses. There's a lipstick there, but yeah. And then the lipsticks that I haven't even opened yet. So I'm hoping that pretty soon everybody does whatever it is that they need to do so we can come out from under these masks so I can wear my stuff, because I'm getting mad, okay? I'm getting mad. But these are an updated of my collection, and as I use them up, I'm not going to buy any more until I use a lot of them up. I need to use these up because a lot of them, this one said 18 months. And you know what I'm going to do too? I'm going to take a permanent marker from now on when I open these. I'm going to take a permanent marker and put the date that I open them on them. I am. I might put it on the bottom since you can't read the name of the stuff anyways. But I'm going to take a permanent marker when I open the new stuff. And I'm going to put the date like 12/20/22 to let me know I opened it December of 2022. That's what I'm going to do. Because I can't remember when I bought this stuff. So I'm going to have to start writing on it. But I'm about to start using it. Regardless. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any tips, tricks, comments. And I'll see you guys next time.